everyone. Again, I hope you're doing well. And I wanted you to know, first off, again, please feel free to contact me if I can be of any help as we're moving forward. So I read all of y'all's responses on the discussion board. I want to really thank everyone for their contributions. I thought everyone had offered some really interesting insights and thoughts on the ending of Tess of the D'Urbervilles. What I have for us today is very simple and straightforward. I know that you all, and I've gotten messages from other students that, people have a lot going on right now. So I'm going to keep things real simple. Essentially, in addition to just saying thank you for your comments and your reflections on the end of the novel, I have a podcast that I'm going to share the link for you all on that discusses Tess of the D'Urbervilles, and it's I'm not. You don't have to listen to all of it. The whole thing is actually an hour and 37 minutes. So it's one of those that if you feel like it would be enriching, listen to the whole thing. If not, that's fine. This particular person, it's called Hardcore Literature, is the podcast that I enjoy listening to, has some interesting reflections and questions on the ending of Tess of the D'Urbervilles that are really in a 3-4 minute segment from 1:30 to 1:33. Originally, I was going to have us all listen to this and comment on it. I'm not going to have us do that. I am going to provide the podcast for you and the specific part that I think is interesting, just in case it's enriching for you. But really, I thought would be most beneficial is if we started to move forward on you thinking about writing your research essay if you haven't already. So the homework is going to be very simple. Essentially, what I would like you to do is post on the discussion board, answer 2 questions. One is just what you're thinking about writing. And if you're still in a very vague or general spot, that's okay. Just sort of give some idea. Or maybe even if you have multiple ideas, I'm thinking of this, I'm thinking of this. In addition, I want you to post 2 research articles that you might think are of some use, and just a little justification, so like a sentence or 2 why. You could even use the research articles I provided you all with. But what I'm wanting us to do is kind of get the ball rolling with writing your research essays. So that's pretty much all I have for you. There is the podcast I'll provide for you if you're interested. And if you don't want to listen to the whole thing, I recommend just listening to that 3-minute segment. It has some really good insight. And then additionally, just be sure to post what you're thinking of writing about and a couple research articles with justification. What we will be doing next class is I'm actually going to provide you all with a sample essay over Tess and ask you some analysis of how you think how well it works or functions according to this assignment. So that's all I have for us today. Just if you want to listen to that podcast or a section of it, listen to it. If not, I understand. But be sure to give the class a sense of what you're going to write about, and then also provide a couple articles that you think might be useful. Friday, we'll reconvene. And I will talk with you all about the sample essay and ask for you to analyze it for homework. And it appears that then when we come back on Monday, we'll be able to discuss our analysis together. Again, I'm wishing you all well, and I'm available if I can be of any help. All right. Thank you all.